Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Ashish Khan Chaudhary. My course name is Tribal Entrepreneurship and Economics. Module 7, lecture number 2. It is related to common property resource. Common property resource means it is a natural resource that belong to a community and are accessible to all members with certain restriction, but no one has ownership rights. In addition to other minor forest products like fruits, nuts, fiber, medicinal plant, etc. Common property rights offer animal feed and domestic fuel. Such land is essential for the livelihood for marginal farmers, landless people and other weaker groups in rural areas. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि सामान्य संपत्ति संसाधन एक क्षेत्रीय संपत्ति है जो विभिन्न प्रकार की संसाधनों का समावेश करती है और इसमें भूमि, जल, हवा, जीव जंतु संसाधन, इट मीन्स जितने भी प्रोडक्ट हैं, those are related to natural resources belonging to a particular communities. They are accessible to all members of the communities with certain restriction. All these things are related to common property resource. CPR is very important because it is provide domestic fuel and other minor products. Those are available in tribal communities, areas, isolation areas and other areas where tribes are surviving. Next slide is introduction to common property rights. What is the meaning of the common property rights? Because CPR is indicate different aspects. In our slides, CPR are natural or man-made resource owned or managed collectively by a group of individuals rather than by any single entity. They have the different features. They have the different nature of uses. Importance of CPR. It has three importance points for the CPR. First is livelihood, second is biodiversity and third is sustainability. Livelihood. Common property rights often support the livelihood of communities, providing essential resource for the food, settlers and income generation. Biodiversity. Biodiversity is the part they contribute significantly to biodiversity conservation, serving as for various types of plants and various types of the animals. Sustainability. For proper management of CPR is crucial for ensuring their sustainable use, which is essential for the well-being of both current and future generation. Example of CPR. Which type items are related to the CPR? First is forest. Forest shared provide timber, non-timber forest product and ecosystem services such as carbon sequestration and soil conservation is also part of the forest. Fisheries. मछलियाँ. Common fisheries support coastal communities and contribute to the food security, but they are the vulnerable to the overfishing and habitat destruction. It is very important for the tribal communities. They are those persons who are stay in isolation areas or those are stay in coastal area, they are dependent on the fisheries. Grazing lands are vital for livestock production and other communities, but these are degradation and overgrazing time to time. water bodies. It is also example of the CPR. These are the collective management of rivers, lake and other aquifers, insurance, equitable access to water for irrigation, drinking and sanitation. Features of the common property rights. Which type features are important for the CPR? This slide provides an overview of the features of the CPR. These are unique attributes and the challenges they pose for the sustainable management. It introduced the concept of the tragedy of the common to highlight the risk associated with unregulated use of the shared resources. इस तरह से हम कह सकते हैं कि CPR जो प्रैक्टिकली इम्पोर्टेंस को इंडिकेट करता है, ये उन संसाधनों का समुदाय के लिए आवश्यक होते हैं और इनके बिना जीवन जीना पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो इट इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी राइट. स्टेबिलिटी, इट इज आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज यदि इन्हें सही रूप से प्रतिबंधित और उपयोग किया जाए तो वो दीर्घकालिक रूप से उपलब्ध रह सकते हैं. और ये जनरेशन टू जनरेशन रिक्वायरमेंट होती है बिकॉज वी नो दैट डिफरेंट टाइप्स टिम्बर फूड्स, डिफरेंट टाइप नट्स और डिफरेंट टाइप नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, उनको एक सिस्टम की तरह धीरे धीरे यूज करेंगे तो उनका एक प्लेस, उनका एक प्रैक्टिकलिटी, उनका एक स्टेबिलिटी बना रहता है जिससे उनकी एक विशेष स्पेशलिटी क्लियर होती है और उनको हम उसी के हिसाब से यूज करते हैं. नेचुरलनेस, इट इज आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर्स ऑफ द कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स, क्योंकि ये संसाधन प्राकृतिक तौर पर मौजूद होते हैं और ये हैंडमेड नहीं होते हैं, इसलिए इनका मैनेजमेंट और इनका प्रोटेक्शन हमेशा नेचुरल प्रोसेस के साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन बनाना चाहिए जिससे कि ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बना रहे. सच एज बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल इज बनाना दैट इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर द सोसाइटी. कंपटीशन, इट इज आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर्स ऑफ द कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स. सामान्य संपत्ति संसाधनों का उपयोग अकेले नहीं होता है बल्कि इनका प्रतिस्पर्धा और अधिकार भी होता है, इसलिए उनका प्रबंधन और उनका प्रोटेक्शन कलेक्टिव और कोऑर्डिनेटिव नेसेसिटी के हिसाब से करना चाहिए ताकि उनका मार्केट में कंपटीशन ना बने. नेक्स्ट इज कंपैटिबिलिटी विद कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी. इट मीन्स वी यूज दीज प्रोडक्ट्स विद हेल्प ऑफ द कॉमन लाइफ स्टाइल. हम ये कह सकते हैं कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स का उपयोग ह्यूमन और नेचुरल लाइफ स्टाइल के कोऑर्डिनेशन के साथ मिला के करना चाहिए, और क्योंकि ये तभी सस्टेनेबिलिटी के साथ जनरेशन टू जनरेशन बना रहेगा जबकि एक कंपैटिबिलिटी के साथ इनका यूज किया जाए. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट ऐसे हैं जो आदिकाल से अभी तक इंसान के लिए इम्पोर्टेंस हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ CPR. On the basis of the different resources, there are the two types of the CPR. First is the natural resources. Natural resources have a 3 points, that is forest, fisheries and water. These 3 items are very helpful for common property rights, and forests are often managed collectively by communities for timber, fuel wood, non-timber forest product and ecosystem such as carbon sequestration and biodiversity conservation, including community managed forest in India and communally forest in Nepal. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि भारत में जैसे कम्युनिटी मैनेजमेंट फॉरेस्ट भी धीरे धीरे पॉपुलर है, जैसे नेपाल के बॉर्डर पे है, कुछ इंडियन भारतीय हिस्से में है और कुछ नेपाल हिस्से में है. दोज आर द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज रिलेटेड टू फॉरेस्ट. फिशरीज, इट इज आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट part of the natural resource. It is available in different lakes, different rivers and oceans are commonly managed as common property resource. Fishermen collectively manage assets and harvesting practices to ensure sustainable yields and prevent overfishing. Third point is water bodies. With the help of the lake, rivers, aquifers are often shared resources managed by communities or user group. Second point is cultural and historical sites. It is a also important part for the CPR. We know that CPR are those resources that are collectively owned or managed by a communities or a group of individual rather than by any one individual or entity. These resources often require careful management to prevent over exploitation or degradation of the product. So, in cases cultural and historical sites is also another types of the common property rights. इसमें बहुत many cultural and religious sites around the world are managed collectively by communities for religious rituals, ceremonies and cultural heritage conservation. For example, different types forts, different types forest, different types bamboos and different types cultural activities, those are developed in local communities. Historical momentum is also part of the CPR like ancient ruins, temples, archaeological sites in Banaras. There is Sarnath is a common property resources by local communities, governments or heritage organizations to preserve their historical and cultural value for future generations. Because on the basis of two types of the CPR, there are the different significance or some importance features of the CPR. First point is sustainability. Sustainability means common property resource management can promote sustainable use and conservation of natural resources by individual interest with collective goals. Equity. Equity ensures that resources are distributed more equitably among the community members, preventing monopolization by powerful individual or groups. Third point is cultural preservation. Cultural preservation is very important because it is safe CPR for the coming generation, for the sustainable generation. Local governance. Local governance managing resources collectively empowered the communities to make decisions about resources use and conservation according to their local knowledge, customs and priorities. Flexibility. It is a also important part, important significance in CPR. On the basis of this significance, collective management can enhance the ecosystem and communities to environmental change and external pressure by fostering cooperation and adaptive governance mechanism. Overall, we can say recognizing and promoting the importance of common property rights, common property resource is essential for the sustainable development. It is essential for the environmental conservation and the well-being of communities around the global world. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इसमें बहुत सारे इम्पोर्टेंस को ध्यान में रखते हुए इसके साथ साथ और भी बहुत सारे सिग्निफिकेंस हो सकते हैं, लेकिन ये कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट सिग्निफिकेंस हैं जो CPR के इम्पोर्टेंस को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. Key challenges in CPR management. Which type problem faced by the common property resources? First is the over exploitation. It is our responsibility to maintain the over exploitation. सामान्य संपत्ति संसाधनों का प्रबंध करते समय संतुलन की चुनौती को मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा। यहाँ तक कि जब एक संसाधन का अधिक उपयोग होता है तो अत्यधिक एकत्र होने और अत्यधिक प्रयोग होने के कारण वो जो उसका स्टैंडर्ड होता है वो उसको क्रॉस कर जाता है, जिससे कि उसमें डिग्रेडेशन आता है और उसकी क्वालिटी खराब हो जाती है। कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ओवर एसेस, इट इज ए आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट फॉर द की challenges in CPR management. It is our responsibility to control these important points: over exploitation, degradation, and conflict over assets. So it is important to know the need for sustainable management approaches, because sustainable management approaches is very helpful for the society. It is maintain the high temperature, maintain the rainy season, maintain the in our environmental activities. It is CPR is also try to develop different advancement and different technique to use with systematic way. It is also very helpful for the society, and it is also helpful for the इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशंस। अगर हम इसको आवश्यकता से अधिक यूज करेंगे, देयर आर द लॉट ऑफ द एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर फॉर द CPR, और ये अपनी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि इन चुनौतियों का सामना करते हुए हम कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी रिसोर्स का प्रबंधन करने के लिए सही नीतियाँ और सही प्रकार का प्रयास करें, ताकि ये ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग जनरेशन टू जनरेशन स्टेबिलिटी मेंटेन रहे। गवर्नेंस एंड मैनेजमेंट अप्रोचेस फॉर द CPR. मैनेजिंग कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी रिसोर्सेज कम विद several challenges. We know that, and it is need to be addressed to ensure their sustainable use and preservation. On the basis of the previous slides, those are explain about challenges in CPR management, say that addressing these challenges require a holistic approach, that participatory governance, community empowerment, adaptive management, and collaboration among diverse stakeholders. By promoting sustainable practices and equitable resource distribution, effective CPR management contribute to environmental conservation, poverty reduction, and social justice. Those are the very helpful for the key challenges faced by the CPR management. Governance and management approach. It is also defined on the basis of the four important points. First is community-based management. Community-based management means it is depend on local communities, have primary responsibility for governing and managing CPR. And this approach recognizes the traditional knowledge, practices, and social norms of the communities regarding resources used and conservation. Co-management with government agencies. It is a also important part for the governance and management approach for the CPR, because on the basis of the co-management with government agencies, it is doing work, collaboration between local communities or user groups and government agencies or other stakeholders in the management of CPR. Under co-management arrangement, responsibilities, decision-making authority, and resource allocation are shared between community-based organizations and government agencies. Co-management approaches offer aim to combine the local knowledge and social capital of communities with the technical expertise and resources of the government agencies to achieve sustainable resource management outcome. Third is user association or cooperative societies. It is also very helpful for the governance because user association or cooperative are formal organization formed by the resource users to collectively manage CPR and regulate access, use and conservation practices. These associations involve the establishment of rules, bylaw and governance structure agreed upon by members to govern resource utilization, resolve conflict and ensure equitable benefit sharing. All these points are very helpful, such as irrigation association is the best example, fisheries cooperative is the example for the use association. जैसे कि हम मछली कोऑपरेटिव भी होता है या इरिगेशन एसोसिएशन होता है, ये सारे एक ऐसे एसोसिएशन होते हैं जो डिफरेंट कोऑपरेटिव या डिफरेंट यूजर एसोसिएशन के साथ अटैच रहते हैं और सीपीआर इसमें अपना गवर्न करता है, मैनेजमेंट करता है और धीरे धीरे सीपीआर के रूल्स के होते हुए ये एंटरप्रेन्योर को डेवलप करते रहते हैं. लास्ट पॉइंट इज एडेप्टिव मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रेटजी. It is also important part of the CPR because it has a flexible and interactive approach to CPR management that recognize uncertainty, complexity and dynamic nature of ecosystem and social system. Adaptive management have strategy learning by doing, experimentation, monitoring and feedback mechanism to adjust management practices in response to changing condition, new information and emerging challenges. On the basis of the above 4 points, we can say these governance and management approach can be tailored to specific context and evolving circumstances to promote sustainable use, conservation and equitable governance of common property resource. Effective implementation required collaboration, trust building, capacity building and adaptive governance mechanism that empower local communities and stakeholders to actively participate in decision making and management process. Case studies of the common property rights. There are the lot of the case studies related to the common property resources. Those are popular in the market. I have choose 3 important case study. First is the community based forest management. On the basis of this point, we choose Indonesia, Mexico, India. These are the very important community-based forest management initiative empowered local communities to sustainability manage forest resources, balancing conservation with livelihood needs and others. It is very helpful for the communities because it increase forest cover, improve biodiversity, enhance carbon sequestration and it is also diversified livelihood opportunities. इंडोनेशिया, मैक्सिको, इंडिया में जो कम्युनिटी बेस्ड फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया है बहुत ही पॉपुलर हुआ है और वो लॉट ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट है, लॉट ऑफ द बेनिफिट है जिसको कि मैं ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे मेंशन किया हूँ. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज co-management of fisheries in London on the basis of the location. It is also very popular. The location where fisheries co-management is practiced, that is Philippines, Canada, Senegal. These 3 countries are very popular related to co-management of fisheries in common property rights, and it has also lot of the benefit like improved fishery sustainability, increase fish stock, enhance ecosystem, reduce different type conflicts, etc. Third point is water users association on the basis of the location. It is available in Nepal, Morocco, Peru. On the basis of the water user association are community-based organization responsible for managing and allocating water resources for the irrigation, for the maintain irrigation infrastructure and resolve conflict among the users, and it is very helpful for the communities association because it is improve water resource management, increase agriculture productivity and also enhance water efficiency. On the basis of these three case studies highlight the diverse approach to the common property resource management, demonstrating the importance of community involvement, stakeholders, collaboration and adaptive governance for achieving sustainable outcomes. Importance of sustainable benefit. CPR provided different types benefit because it has a social benefit related to livelihood, related to community empowerment. With the help of the CPR, by involving local communities in resource management decision, sustainable CPR management empower them to take ownership of their resources, social cohesion and forest participatory government. It is also very helpful for the environmental benefit. Environmental benefit related to biodiversity conservation, related to ecosystem services because CPR contribute to the provision of ecosystem services such as clean water, soil fertility, climate regulation and carbon degradation, which are essential for human well-being and planetary health. Third point is also helpful for the society, that is economic benefit. With the help of the CPR management, we can generate income, we can reduce poverty, elevation, etc. These are the some importance of sustainable CPR management already discussed in lecture. It is also covered by the all these lectures because these three important benefit is very helpful for the sustainable common property resources, and it is also improve the society to involve in common property resources with the help of the entrepreneurship. On the basis of the above discussion, we can say common property resources are collectively owned or managed resources such as forests, fisheries and water bodies. On the basis of these three items, you can develop your entrepreneurship related activities. There are the lot of the challenges in CPR. Those are mentioned in previous lecture. If you try to manage these, you can participate in a positive way in CPR related business, etc. In conclusion, we can say sustainable CPR management is crucial for the achieving ecologically sustainability, social equity and economic prosperity. Let us collectively support and advocate for the community-based approach to ensure the long-term health and our common property resources, and it is demonstrate different case studies demonstrate the benefit of sustainable CPR management for social, environmental and economic well-being. On the basis of this lecture, we can say CPR is an important part of the tribal entrepreneurship. So, before starting your entrepreneurship, it is entrepreneur's responsibility to know the importance of the common property resources. Thank you.